Hello, my name's Darren, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. Today I'm going to show you around this Honda ST1300 Pan-European. Just a quick video, this one. I'll start at the front as usual, go around. Obviously this says it's got the ABS and dual combined brake system. This is a 2004 bike, so you expect the odd little nick or scratch, obviously like that down there. I'll show you around, although the paintwork is absolutely lovely on it, to tell you the truth. Obviously the panniers have got some marks on, which panniers always seem to get. Looks like stock exhausts. Obviously V4 engine in these. Loads of pull. I think about 125 brake horsepower if I remember on these. Obviously with the full panniers and top box. Overall, lovely looking bike. For what it would do for touring would be unbelievable. That's it from me. You can find us on voice chat, WhatsApp, all the social medias. Pop in, sit on it for yourself, try something from the calf.